Go.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna do some Play-Doh. It's gonna be like a challenge. I had to try to do her face with Play-Doh, and she's gonna do my face with Play-Doh.
And then, so this is the Play-Doh. We got the Crazy Art Soft Dough Play-Doh. It has 10 different colors. So like she said, I'm gonna do her face. She's gonna do mine. See which one turns out better. I'm gonna win.
No,
I'm gonna win. So
we're gonna get the
we'll
Play-Doh
see.
out.
Whoa.
Whoa. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's their favorite color. 6, 7, 8, 9,
10.
10.
Alright, ready? Alright, so we don't have skin color Play-Doh, so we can use this one.
Or this one.
Or yellow.
Yeah. Or
That one,
this
because that one's for like the eyes. So we have brown eyes.
Okay, I'm gonna do white.
Right, I'll do yellow for your skin.
Oh! Okay, where's the roller?
I don't know. I don't know.
It was in there. It's in there.
No?
Yeah?
No, Pepper? We lost the roller.
Yeah? No? It was in there.
You know what we can use?
That's for pancakes and cakes.
It's for like cookies.
And cakes. I did this one time. If you haven't seen our other channel, see it kind of down below. Yeah, and we're gonna do a Christmas one for Thanksgiving because I'm getting out the forks, and Coco's giving out the plates.
We all have rolls that we're gonna have.
Okay. How do you do that?
Huh? I roll it in my hand in a circle.
Oh, so you're a big face.
Yeah, but I didn't use the whole thing. Like.
I have to use the whole thing because yours is big.
That's true.
Let's move these.
I think I got her face. Let me see.
Wait, let me see. Wait.
I don't know how it came out. It just came out like that shape.
Like this is the chin?
Yeah.
How can you do that?
I don't know. It just came out.
Hey, I did it!
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm going to stop stretching it. All right, let me see your eyes. Beautiful eyes. Are you cheating?
Not like this.
Okay. But that's a small eye.
I need red because of your lipstick. I know. I need to moan.
Oh, it's snowing outside. It's snowing outside, guys.
Yeah, if you're in Bellevue, see outside and it's snowing. Okay.
Oh, I'm messing up mine. Move it to your area. Scoot it on over, girl.
I'm making like my mine. I'm making mine like a seed.
It's okay. You just stretch it out there. Watch it.
Now I'm gonna do her lips, guys.
I'm still doing her eyes. The tiny, tiny eyes.
Look at it. What does it look like? It looks like an apple almost.
Not the whole thing, baby.
Oh.
My lips are not that big. Oh.
What's it? Did you need that?
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm just putting it. It feels like Play-Doh.
What's my name?
What's my name? Uma, say it loud.
Alright, so
What are you gonna do now?
your nose.
That looks like how do you... What?
Nothing. Look at your nose.
How can you make noses?
I don't know. I just did the triangle like that. See, like this. Oh, I can't take it out now.
Yes, you can.
Bebet, you're cheating.
Let's just see.
Let me see your nose. Bunny nose.
I'm gonna just do like a long nose on yours. Kidding?
You do whatever you think I look like.
This looks like the eyes and the...
I know, that looks like, that does not look like my lips.
This looks creepy.
You're the one who's doing it.
Okay.
Let me see your lips. These are my lips.
This is my lip.
Uh-uh. It looks like a turtle.
Like this?
Yeah. Turtle, turtle.
It looks like this is from a skeleton. Isn't it?
Like from the Dia de los Muertos, like Coco.
Yeah, like Coco's dad.
Yeah.
No, I can
The movie Coco made me realize how important it is to keep our
family.
Hispanic heritage and traditions alive. Just because, yes, you know, we moved from Guatemala to USA a long time ago, but she was born here in Omaha. But it's important that I teach her about the traditions, about the things that I did do. Dia de los Muertos celebration.
That looks like baldy.
But, you know, keeping her Spanish and traditions alive is very, very important because I do want to go to Guatemala with
I don't know,
her
I didn't
1 year for vacation. Oh, that's good. For vacation. And those are better than mine.
I know.
Ve, Pepe. Tienes que hablar español, ¿verdad?
What?
¿Verdad? Sí. She needs to learn Spanish, ¿verdad?
What?
You need to learn Spanish.
Yeah. Mommy, look.
Oh, you messed it up. It's okay.
No.
You do it however you think my lips are. That's really good lips, actually.
I
You
know.
got the shape of like lips.
Because I was looking at yours. Those are not like your lips.
Are you looking at me through the camera?
No, I'm like.
I don't know. You're good.
I know. How can you make that?
I was looking at yours.
You can copy. You can look at.
I want to be like you.
They look like strawberry. Guys, be quiet. Can you do the nose different? Wait, are you gonna use the whole thing of that? The whole brown?
The whole brown? No. That's good. Wow. That's really good.
Like this?
Yeah.
I know, I don't know. Okay, got her chinny chin chin and her little lips. Now, I have lipstick.
For this one, yeah. For this one time you do. Oh, I should have used the pink one. They look more natural.
Well, would that be
No, it's okay.
like a 12 on Play-Doh?
Huh?
12 Play-Dohs?
12 of these?
Yeah.
There's one that has 20.
Oh my! Look at the
That's
pink.
pretty.
I know. Wait, what didn't make pink?
White and red.
Oh.
See? I just shape it like that. It's okay. We don't have every color, like skin color or eye color, so we're just using random colors.
Oh, never mind.
Which one are you gonna use?
Brown.
Oh yeah.
Because it was
Yeah,
so
my eyes. You make it whatever shape you want to.
I'm just trying to make it like yours. Can you make?
See, but my eyes, the eyes I'm making, they're not perfect. I'm doing what I can.
I'm hungry. I'm gonna try to start doing that eye.
Now you just grab a tiny, tiny bit. See, like this.
Like this?
Yeah. It's perfect.
There. You're gonna make my hair? How am I gonna make?
I'm not gonna use the whole thing. I'm just gonna use like half of it, and then you can use the rest. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
A timer. We have to do it at a set time. It's too late for that one. We already started. Maybe next time.
Okay.
That's beautiful.
What?
Really? That's my eyelash. The whole stick.
Yeah. Do you like it?
I love it. Well, I like yours better.
Thanks. I like yours better. You're done?
I think so. I'm trying to think what else. I'm
Some,
missing your lunar. But you can just do
like this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm just gonna do this. Do it.
Okay. I think I'm done skiing.
What about earrings?
You don't have earrings on.
But I want it just pink. I promise.
Beautiful.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. This much?
Yeah.
Like that much?
Yeah, that's good.
Like that much? Like that much? And dip. Oops, there it is. Whoops, there it is. Whoops, there it is. That. Okie dokie, I can't look at yours. I can see. When I look at the camera, it looks creepy, doesn't it? Doesn't it?
Yeah. All right, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
There. Okay, there. And now.
Roll that and then cut it in two. Good job. Buen trabajo. Mi hijita bella. Girl, I don't have a mustache.
That's her mustache.
My mustache.
You know, I have a mustache and you have a mustache.
I have a mustache for real?
No, right here. Like fur.
I have fur. I have fur, guys.
This is like from Coco Loco. Like somebody like the.
Oh yeah, zombie?
No, he's from Coco,
Mm-hmm.
and he just looks like. And he's white. He has a scholarship, but he does it slow.
Coco's that?
No, he just like.
You want me to make a bow?
If you want to, if you can.
Orange or pink?
Pink.
Okay.
I need to do that the ching ching.
Lunar?
Yeah, Luna.
Alright, you guys ready to see the final results?
I have some.
Oh, here you go.
So this is mine, Sophia's, and I did like my mom helped me with this and this and this, and I did this by myself and I did this by myself, and my mom helped me with this and I did this by myself, and my mom helped me and I did this by myself and my mom.
Mm-hmm. Alright, and then this one is Sophia. So
And this is my mom's. This is my beautiful one.
Aw.
Bye guys, I hope you like our channel. Bye.
Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button.
Like, comment down below.
Alright, bye.
Bye.